In this video, I am going to talk about how can you choose artwork style into Wombo Dream. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to choose the artwork style in Wombo Dream, you just simply have to open Wombo Dream application. And after opening the Wombo Dream application, you will get to see a bunch of options into here. Among them, you will get to see this plus button. Just simply tap there in order to create your project, and after that, you will get a lot of options in order to create your project or the artwork. Among them, you will get this option of choose an art style. Now you can choose dreamland, minimalism, surrealism, the cut v3 and many more art style. You can tap into see all button in order to check all of them, and you can pick any of these options from here. Some of it might require premium version of this AI, otherwise you can easily pick any of the art style from here, and this way you can easily choose an art style for your art into Wombo Dream. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.